Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to get Samsung Internet Browser in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as Samsung Browser. On the first list, you will see its official website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see a download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. Now just click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on continue. So you can sign in if you have a Samsung account. So right now I'm just gonna click on not now. So you can import from other web browser also. So right now I'll just skip it, click on start. Now you can see this kind of user interface. So on the left side you can see your profile icon. So you can sign in here or you can use a guest profile also. And next to it is your tabs. And here you can see your tab bar. On the right side you will see here the sidebar. So you can add more sidebar options if you need it. You can access the calendar directly from here. You can use your browsing assist and you can get also a split view option. If you want two different websites to get open side by side, then you can do this also. And you can click on this three horizontal lines. That is a tool option where you will get various options. And if you want to update it, just go to this help and feedback about Samsung browser and it will check for the newer updates. And on the left side, you will see here tons of options which you can check out by yourself. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get Samsung Internet Browser in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.